Hello everyone. Let's begin by understanding the concepts and definition of agentic AI through a simple real world scenario. Imagine I have 10,000 rupees. I have 10,000 rupees that I want to invest in Indian stock market. Indian stock market. So now how my agentic AI system work. So to solve this, I approach an agentic AI system and ask, can you guide me on how to best invest my 10,000 rupees in the Indian stock market? So now we explore how agentic AI would approach this task. So agentic AI system typically performs the three tasks here. First of all, it set a goal. So here in this case, so the goal will be provide me the best investment strategy for 10,000 rupees in the Indian stock market, and the second will be it also plan actions. So there might be I can say plan 1, 2 or 3 and so on. So with respect to our example, to reach the goal, the AI may take various plans, like it will analyze top performing companies on NSE and BSE. It will review key economic indicators like repo rates, inflation and the trends, and it will monitor also sectoral wise performance like IT, FMCG and pharma, and it also track domestic and global news that could impact the market sentiment. And the third step here will be execute the actions. So based on its plan, the AI will gather the data and conduct the analysis and generate recommendation based on the current market conditions. So after all the actions are executed, the agentic AI provides a comprehensive investment strategy for my 10,000 rupees. So here we can see, so what's the unique about the agentic AI is that it can perform all this with the minimum or no human involvement. So this autonomy is what make it distinct. So it can, I can say, it can think, plan, adapt and act independently. So this is the summary, I can say, for the agentic AI definition. So agentic AI system is the one which defines the goal, plan a sequence of intelligent actions and execute those actions autonomously with little or no human input. So if I talk about the key characteristics of agentic AI, characteristics of agentic AI. So first one is the autonomy, second is the goal oriented, and third one is the adaptability. So autonomy, it operates independently, capture all functioning, it is capable of functioning without the continuous human guidance, and it is goal oriented. Unlike traditional AI, which is task specific, agentic AI focus on achieving goals. It determines how to achieve a results, not just what tasks to perform. And adaptability, it learns from the environment and outcomes. It continuously improved its strategies to reach the goal more effectively over the period of time. So this is for this session. So in the in the next session we will start with the one real use case comparing the agentic AI versus the traditional AI, and understand how both the models complement each other in a real world application. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.